What's going on, guys? MikeyDC here with MikeyDailyCarry, and today I got a new unboxing. This right here is the TiRant Ultra in 6AL4V titanium by Exceed Designs. I've done work with Exceed Designs before and I absolutely love their products. This is when the YouTube channel was just getting started. I was able to reach out to them again and have them send me out this knife. Just a disclaimer, I did not pay for this, but I will make sure I link the description of this knife and many more in the video down below. But this right here is the packaging. As you can see here, looks like this is a skeleton version with a dark rock stone wash titanium. Let's give you this experience. So you open it up like so. This is nice because I don't know if you can see it right there, but this is their hot swap blade. You can literally switch out the blade to whatever type blade you want. They sell a bunch of them on their website. So let's see which one I got. Ooh, okay, look at that. So it's designed in Montana and Washington, USA. You have your TiRant, which is ambidextrous. The first one that I reviewed a while back was not, but this is, so that's freaking cool. And then you have your hardware. All right, this is the knife itself. Take a look at that right there. Okay. So you got like a little thumb flick, a back flipper. It is a frame lock. Ooh, the action is nice. Came with a standard gold utility blade, but like I had stated, you can switch that out. Drop shut action. Let's see. I need to work on that. You get the point. Frame lock, baby. Wow, I like this. I can't wait to put this through its paces. So the hot swap, how does that work? Let's see. So I'm guessing you press that. Oh, okay. So this is a lever here that you press, brings this lever down. You can take this out, and then you can swap that out with whatever blade you want to put in here. And then you put it back in, boom, lock it, and then you're ready to go. So that's how this thing works. I like the skeletonized frame, so that way you can see the interiors of this knife here. That's so awesome. Exceed Designs, y'all. I want to say it's bigger than the last one that I got. Maybe there was a smaller TiRant that I had, but it was much smaller than this. This is definitely a lot larger, and I can't wait to get my hands on a lot more different type of blade shapes. But there you have it, folks. TiRant Ultra, that's what this is, TiRant Ultra. The jimping right there on the thumb stud, or the lock, the blade lock. You did not even notice that there. And then you also got some jimping right here too, so that way if you need to get a little higher up on the utility blade and make some fine cuts, you can do so. No hot spots when I'm holding this in my hand. Okay, I'm gonna move that clip over to this side, obviously, because I'm left-handed. But there you have it, folks. Okay. Exceed Designs. Back at it again. My name is MikeyDC, and this is MikeyDailyCarry. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Welcome back.